Dear students, now we are going to discuss Unit 1 of your first topic, that is personality development. The title of the B reading is Every Success Story is Also a Story of Great Failures. Before entering into this topic, let us see the introduction about the author. The author for this topic is Shiv Khera. About the author. Shiv Khera is an Indian author of self-help books and activist. While working in the United States, he was inspired by a lecture delivered by Norman Vincent Peale and followed his motivational teachings. Khera has written several books, including You Can Win. His mission is to ensure freedom through education and justice. Shiv Khera was born in a business family which is used to have a coal mines at Kindua in Dhanbad, India. Soon after the nationalization of coal mines by the Indian government, he had to search for his own living. In his early years, he worked as a car washer, a life insurance agent, and a franchise operator before he became a motivational speaker. This B reading is all about collection of stories of great people who became really successful in their lives. The great people from a lesson are we discuss one by one. Tom Watson sir, Abraham Lincoln, Lady Forrest, Wright brothers, Colonel Sanders, Walt Disney, Thomas Edison, Napoleon Hill, Socrates. Now let us know briefly about every person one by one. First, Tom Watson. Failure is the highway to success. Tom Watson sir said, if you want to succeed, double your failure rate. Who is Tom Watson sir? Tom Watson sir is an American businessman. He was CEO of IBM. IBM means International Business Mission. I have a question for you. How do you think anyone can double failure rate? How can we double our failure rate? Okay, we can double our failure rate by trying again and again. Only when we make more efforts, we can double our failure rate. And when our failure rate increases, the good chance succeed. If you study history, you will find that all stories of success are also stories of a great failures, but people don't see the failures. They only see one side of the picture and they say that person got lucky. He must have been at the right place at the right time. What is the one side of the picture people see? The one side of the picture that people see is the success of the person, not the failures. It is absolutely right. Let us look at what failures Abraham Lincoln before he really successful person. When Lincoln was 21 years old, he tried business but he failed in it. When Lincoln was 22 years old, he failed in legislative race, you might wonder. Just like Indian Parliament has two houses, one is Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. American Congress has two chambers called Senates, second one the House of Representatives. When Lincoln was 26 years old, he lost his sweetheart. Who is this sweetheart? Was it his wife? Was it his mother? No. It was his girlfriend. Look at his girlfriend. Lincoln's girlfriend as Annie Rutheld died in 1835. Lincoln was born in 1809. When Annie Rutheld died in 1835, Lincoln was exactly 26 years old. This explains that sweetheart referred to here is his girlfriend. Moreover, Lincoln was married to Mary III in 1842. When Lincoln was 27 years old, he had nervous breakdown. What is this nervous breakdown? A period of mental illnesses in which somebody becomes very depressed, anxious, and tired and cannot deal with a normal life, just like other people do. This man was nervous breakdown. It might be because the loss of his girlfriend. No doubt about this. When Lincoln was 34 years old, he tried to be American Congress again, but he failed. When Lincoln was 45 years old, he tried to be elected to the American Senate again, but he failed in these efforts. When Lincoln was 47 years old, he tried to become vice president, but he failed it. When he was 49 years old, he tried to be elected to the American Senate again. He failed senatorial race. But when he is 52 years age, he became the President of the United States of America. What a victory it was! What a success it was! Now third person, Lee De Forest. Lee De Forest is an American inventor with over 180 patents to his credit. He invented the Audion, a vacuum tube that takes relatively weak electrical signals and amplifies them. He is one of the fathers of the electronic age, as the Audion helped to user in the widespread uses of electronics. He is also credited with one of the principal inventions that brought sound to motion pictures. He said that by using device human beings can transmit the voice from surface to the Atlantic. This statement was given by Lee De Forest, which was held wrong, and he was charged for his failure. But today, the entire world uses his tube, so it is really failure for him. Let us move to Wright brothers. In the year 1903, New York Times people or editorial, as you know, raised the question among the people about Wright brothers. Wright brothers invented something, a machine heavier than air. It is possible? Air is very lighter. How the done subject lighting air? This was the comment given by the newspaper editorial to the people. To their surprise, what we observed within 1 week of the editorial, we found that the Wright brothers give the first fight at Kitty Hawk. Before success reached to those brothers, failure was already for them. How was the failure ready for them? Already, you know, newspapers, critics, printings on that project. I am giving you different situations. Abraham Lincoln, failure followed by success. Lee De Forest, success and failure both are come at a time. Wright brothers, failure has reached before success. Let me talk the next personality, Colonel Sanders. He was at the age of 65. He was two things. One is car. Second one is his $100 check. He was thinking, what should be done with the things I have? He remembered his mother's recipes and went out selling. He could control his impatience, which gives to the success. Next one, 6. Walt Disney. He was very good at drawing actually, and minister asked him to make him to draw out of wall of the church. He was inspired that mouse, and he started drawing in mouse. And today Walt Disney famous for what? Mickey Mouse. He got the inspiration from small mouse. The small animal could give him the success. Okay, we doesn't know when where we get inspiration. Everything around us, whatever, we should take in it is positive way. That is, whatever we learn. Edison. He was a small boy. He couldn't hear properly. Thomas Edison had only 3 months of formal schooling and he was partially deaf. Thomas Edison failed approximately 10,000 times while he was working on the light bulb. What I want to explain you, nobody can avoid failure. When failure comes, we should think in a positive manner. What does happen? Why has this happened? What is wrong in this? What should I do next time? What was wrong myself? What should I do stop? Yeah. Finally, hope you all understood the lesson well. Dear students, please read it again, the whole lesson from textbook. Understand more. Thank you all. See you again. Take care.